In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between fixed tempo and tempo track in Cubase. So to do this, we're actually going to be using this button here at the bottom, okay? So if you want to use the fixed tempo mode, which means this is actually deactivated and it's grayed out like this, of course, if it's deactivated, Cubase will use one single unchanging BPM value for the whole project, okay? So you can just go ahead and click over here and type in your desired number into the main tempo display over here to change your speed, or of course you could just go and tap it over here. That's also going to work. However, if you want to use the tempo track mode, you can also click on over here to activate it like this, and it's going to turn white. Now if it's white like this, Cubase will follow the dynamic speed changes, ramps, and automation points mapped out in your tempo track, okay? And if you want to open up your tempo track to actually set that up, you can press Ctrl and the T on your keyboard, and there we go. As you can see here, you have your tempo track, which you can of course change and alter and edit. So that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.